The successive governments of BJP and Congress has undertaken major projects which has destroyed and devastated our economy, our ecology, our environment, our livelihoods and the people of Goa. Out of the 12 talukas, 5 have been reported for acute shortage of water. You go to Porvorim, there is no water. You go outside Panjim, there is no water. Now it is a crime. The successive governments have miserably failed to provide basic necessity of water to the people, even though we are blessed with abundant rainfall. It is a sad story that the BJP government and the Congress government have spent crores and crores of rupees to process the garbage, especially the wet garbage. But instead of processing the garbage, majority of this garbage, in fact I have got the 89 tons of plastic garbage is left untreated every day. Then 110 million liters of sewage is discharged in the fresh waters. 11 of the major rivers suffer from water pollution. It is a shame. It is a crime. It is a crime against ecology, environment, it is a crime against Goans. Now you are taking these 3 linear projects to the Santu Santorum of the Mole Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a UNESCO protected World Heritage Site. We have given solemn promise in our manifesto that we will stop these 3 linear projects. It is our commitment to the people of Goa that we don't want to destroy